What's happening, guys? We are live now. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Shrey and you are watching Shrey TV, baby. $2 trillion pump, man. Amazing. Amazing. What is happening with the markets? Well, I made a really nice thumbnail. You seen that? Pump It League. I got our Uncle Powell there, Janet Yellen. I got Biden as a Batman. I made that thumbnail, man. It's not a third-party service, all right? But Larry Fink from BlackRock is there, and our very own Elon Musk. So, okay, let's see what is up. What is up with the markets? Let's see.
Turn my head with the side flip. I know you like it. Baby, go up and earn it. Or stay frustrated.
Top gainers, Stacks, 29%. Immutable X, 27. FDM, nice pump, 20. Mass Network, 18. Double-digit pumps, man. I like that. I like that. I love it. Let's see what is happening with our blue chips. Bitcoin 26.8, like I said, like we said just a few days ago. Ethereum 1746, BNB 336, XRP 38, Cardano 34. Okay, so the big news is about this thing here. JP Morgan Chase, US Fed's emergency loan can inject $2 trillion in the banking system to ease liquidity crunch. Guys, you understand what is $2 trillion? Usually it takes between 3 to 6 months for liquidity to kick in. Once the liquidity is injected, it takes between 3 to 6 months, sometimes 7 months, for it to kick into the markets. You know, but second thing here, Fed's balance sheet explodes by $300 billion as the bank bailouts lead to record discount window surge. Look at that, guys. Look at that surge, right? So they did $600 billion in quantitative tightening and increasing the interest rate, and within, you know, 1 day or 2 days, half of it was done in QE. There's no other way get out of this, okay? If Biden wants to win the election, he has to take the market up. Every government, you know, they will kick the can down the road as long as they can. Until the United States government has the power of the dollar, they will kick the can further down the road as long as they can. They've been calling for this market dump. 100-year cycle. 100-year cycle coming to an end. We have this whistleblowers everywhere, right? If you look at DGI, they've been calling for DGI to collapse. 100-year market cycle coming to an end, right? You see this? Every time it started right here. July 32. You can call it the bull market, you know, you can call it this here. It started here. 1896. From 1896 until now, it's a bull market. If you see, it's just one-way trajectory. Obviously, these pullbacks are sharp. We had a huge 85% pullback here. In crypto, man, this is a 90% pullback. But if you look at the whole, this has been a pull. I mean, this is 100 years of bull market. And they've been calling that this bull market will come to an end, Yes, it will eventually. But you're comparing to what? Okay? It'll go sideways. I do expect it to go sideways, it to crash at some point, but before it crashes, usually you see a upswing like that. A blow off top. All right, something like that you'll see, but nobody knows when exactly that will come. So you cannot just say that, hey, I'm not going to invest, right? So especially when the Fed is injecting $2 trillion in liquidity, right? It'll be stupid not to be in the market. Guys, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, just my opinion. I'm some guy on the internet. But, you know, I love crypto, I love stocks, gold, silver. Everything is mooning right now. Gold is mooning. Gold. Look at that. Such a great price action in gold. 1988. Man, if we have a breakout in gold, let's go to a normal. Okay, can you hear me? I just want to make sure you're able to hear me clearly. Everything's good to go. Hardik, how are you? Shrek TV, baby. Yeah, man. Please, can you explain DGB chart? Nikki Stevenson, how are you, brother? Nikki is a female. How are you, Nikki? Sorry. How are you, Nikki? Bitcoin Baijan. Hi, Shrey. What do you think about inverse finance? I'll look at it, bro. Ned. What's up, Shrey? Hope all is well. Yeah, man. I want to give a shout out to all the people who commented in last stream. Hardik, what's up, brother? Thank you for sharing. Okay, Vraj says, thanks, Shrey. Bitcoin Baijan, inverse finance might do well. Okay. So, Epic Cash. Easy says, Epic Cash is it. Steven, Shrey, much appreciate for your live session today. Sure, man. Anytime. Sean Young. What's up, Shrey TV, baby? Yeah, man. Good. Yuvraj, I don't know what he's laughing at. Walter, separate money and state. It's a comment on BCH video. Brian, just bought more on this dump. Stevenson, okay. So Robert Richards says some cryptos are literally worth zero. Yes. So, you know, I'm taking requests from people who comment on my videos. First are people who donate. I'll give a response right away. Second are the people who are my Patreon. Third are the people who comment on my videos on a regular basis, right? So if you're new, you need to make sure that you comment on the videos, guys. It's a give and take relationship. But let's look into the charts. Look at the Bitcoin first, right? What is happening with Bitcoin? Yeah, gold, man. Gold, look at this. We did a cup and handle in gold. I will look at Bitcoin in a second, but look at gold. We did a cup and handle. This cup. We did the handle. Inverse. Look at the inverse chart. Man. Look at that. I think we are heading to $2,700, man. $2,700. That's where we are heading to. Yeah, $2,600. We might have some sort of rejection at that point, but this is where we are heading to. If we break out of this, man, nothing can stop. We might be in this channel as well, right there. If you notice, gold is in this channel right now. And we are trying to challenge this channel again. So if we break out of this, then gold is going to $2,600. If not, then it is possible that gold might come back down, all the way back down to $1,000. Okay, that I don't think is going to happen, but hey, just want you to keep an open mind. There's a high probability that we go and kiss $2,700, $2,700 and moon. So this level is a very critical level right now for gold. 1946, critical level to watch out for, or else we are going down, boy. We are going down. We need to break convincingly, shoot up, shoot up high to $2,000, $2,300. Have a nice aggressive push up. So that confirms gold bull market. Okay. Let's look at Bitcoin. Yeah, so this is where we are. This cup and handle. This cup usually ends up going bullish. So I do expect gold to push higher, get out of this channel, and just push up to $2,300. Or else gold will come back down right there. If it gets rejected here, gold will come back down all the way back to $1,100. Yeah, sad. But I don't think that's going to happen. I think it's going to push up to $2,300 and eventually hit between $2,700 to $3,000 gold. Let's look at Bitcoin. I know it's a crypto channel, but we look at all the assets here. We look at all assets. Yesterday we discussed about this. If you watch this channel on a regular basis, just day before yesterday I mentioned that we are done with this candle, right? Again, there is a chance that we might come back down, depending on right now. It doesn't feel like that's going to happen, but what we could go to 27. Here, let me see. We could go to 28.5. Still come back down. Like that. One more time to $24,000 is possible. Okay, $24,000 is possible before we go up higher to $33,000. I think eventually the goal is $33,000, right? $33,000. That's where I think Bitcoin's going. But how quickly we do that, right? That's my concern. Right now, I think we will spend some time here. I think so, because look at this. How long the wick will go? I think we can go to 28 and then come back down. Have a proper correction like that. Go, because we have some time. I do this and then go up to 33. Yeah, $34,000. This is where I would get really cautious. Then after that, I don't know what's going to happen. Okay, once we reach this $33,000 level, I become very bearish, very bearish. So yeah, something the chances of a black swan event happening increases really high once we reach this $33,000 mark. Okay, $33,000 mark, a black swan event could be triggered. Okay, right here. At this level. Some sort of black swan event can take us back. It could be banking failure or some sort of, I don't know what news could come, and it could just, you know, take away all our gains back to $17,000. Okay, all the way back. And then, you know, market recovers, tries to recover like this, go back up and down before we shoot up higher. Okay, like this. So I hope this scenario does not happen and we go aggressively. The second way that I'm looking at this market is us going to $50,000. We break this resistance. We break this resistance aggressively. Okay, we have to break this $30,000 mark aggressively, right? Without stopping. We just need to keep going, keep the pace like this. The pace should be like this. Small dumps and keep on going to $55,000. That's how, you know, I don't see a black swan event happening. You know, if we keep on cruising that $30,000 mark, don't dump and just keep on going to between $50,000 to $55,000. That's the best case scenario. If Bitcoin wants to reach anywhere in 2024 or 2023, if Bitcoin wants to reach $100,000, then it has to get out of this particular trend line. Convincingly break this and go up and keep on going up. As I said, with small minuscule dumps, nothing big, small minuscule dumps like that. Just keep on going up, 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 up like that. Okay. So next few months, I would say May, June, July, we could hit, you know, that $50,000 mark. I am bullish for next week to 10 days. I would say 15 days. I am bullish. Next 10 to 15 days, because I'm looking at Smooth Love Potion. This is Smooth Love Potion, and I do expect it to act this way. See, you have to look at all cryptos. So I do expect it to act this way for the next few days. Just keep on going up, right? If Smooth Love Potion is going up like that, that means the whole market, you know, I expect many altcoins to do well. So next, I would say, let's see how many days we spend here. We spend 45 days here. So I would say at least 45, so 25, between 25 to 30 days, I am bullish. You know, there might be dumps, you know, small dumps our way. Like, for example, 14-15% dump. But as a whole, I do expect the market to be bullish for, I would say, between 20 to 25 days. And then we come across a dump, a big dump, right? Something happens and we come across a huge dump. So we'll have to see where Bitcoin is during that time. If Bitcoin goes to $33,000 and my SLP is revolving somewhere around this price, that means the dump is confirmed, that we are having a black swan event that would take us down back SLP to this price level, 0.002, and Bitcoin to between $18,000 to $17,000 level. So we will see. Okay, we'll see how the markets react. Cody, the best in business, straight TV, baby. Yeah, man. Thank you, brother. I appreciate the $5. Hanzo, hi. How are you? Good, man. Pre-substray, any new predictions for the crypto markets in August? I just gave you one, bro. how precious this information is. People don't realize. I study this. I come here for live for an hour, but on the back end, there's hours and hours of studying that goes on for me. But yeah, I do think if Bitcoin is sitting somewhere around between $30,000 to $33,000, and my SLP is sitting where I mentioned, what is this? 0.005. Then I do expect a big dump in the market. So we'll see. But I'm really excited about the markets. You know why? Because of this news about the $2 trillion, injecting, and look at the Fed balance sheet. 300 billion in just probably 3 or 4 days. The Fed's balance sheet increased 300 billion. Guys, QE is coming. And eventually they will stop the rate hikes and start lowering the rates. There's no other way to be around it, okay? They raise the rate because they want to pump the market. It's just like, you choke the girls, your partner sometimes, right? To get that. So it's for that level of climax to reach. So how crypto is going to reach is they're just choking us right there to take you to the climax, right? So we are going to get our climax in crypto, like a phenomenal one, right? So this choke, what is happening right now is just for momentarily, right? And then after that, boom, it explodes. So yeah, I'm not worried. I'm really excited about the market, but you have to see in between, there will be trading opportunities that if we look forward, as I said, $33,000, $32,000 to $33,000 is a level where I would think we might come across a trading opportunity. We'll have to see. But I'll be really happy if it does not stop there and just keeps on going to $50,000. That would just confirm the $100,000 is coming a lot sooner than people expect. But if we pause at 32, 33, that level, then, it would take time for Bitcoin to reach that $100,000 level. It could be 2025, 2026. Okay. So we'll see. We will see. I'm not worried about Bitcoins. I'm worried about my altcoins, man. My altcoin needs to pump, and they will. Okay. Altcoins are going to pump. Patience, man. Patience. It could be, from now until August, we might have one dump, big dump, 33, 40% dump possible, but right now I am bullish for the next 20 to 25 days. I am bullish. Rari is lagging, man. Okay, let's look at Rari. Cody. What are you doing on a Friday night, bro? Are you gonna go party or something or what? Be glad that Rari is lagging because it's preparing a big leg up, bro. It's gonna, it's gonna moon. When it's gonna moon, it's gonna be nice. The longer it stays, so it's creating this gap in between to go up higher. $9 to $12 is coming for Rari, okay? Between $10 to $12 is coming for Rari. What's going to happen? See, this is a critical level where it would get rejected, but I see, between $10 to $12. This is where I think it would get rejected. It would get a nice wick up to 12 bucks. Right, and get rejected. But yeah, it's a good buy. I think it's a good buy. Great buy right now. Rari. Yeah, it's going up, bro. From here, I don't see it going down. Like, you know, here. Can it come down here? Yeah, maybe. But I'm not worried right now about Rari. Let's look at Rari's. Rari.
Coffee cups and cigarettes laying around the room. I don't mind a little mess. Just wanna stay with you, and we'll do anything that we want today. Won't be scared of falling down no more.
Look at that, man. Rari reached another level. All the way down, right here. Kissing this level. Came to kiss this level. Can it go a little lower? Yes, it can. Just a little lower. And this is low against Bitcoin, right? And then look what happens after that. Wow. 500% pump. Ferrari against Bitcoin.
We are green under the sun. We do our best to hide. Innocence fading away as we learn the truth, and we'll be anything that we wanna be. Gonna get what's coming anyway. So take me away to some other place.
Yeah, man, $10 between $10 to $12 is coming for Rari. $10 to $12 for Rari.
Calling your name, oh my Indian summer. Oh my Indian summer. Oh my Indian summer. We crossed the borderline into
Let's look at the weekly for Rari. Get a better idea.
the flames won't burn our skin. We're thick as thieves, and we know what we do. We live on like an echo. Oh, so take me away to some other place. Don't wanna wait.
$10 to $12. Yeah, I would say between $10 to $12 for Rari.
I ain't afraid. Calling your name. Oh, my Indian summer.
Patience will pay off. Yeah, man. Between 500 to 600% pump for Rari. I would say $10 to $12 is coming. Okay.
Oh, my Indian summer.
That's how I see Rari. Right. I don't see it going down, you know, a lot lower than this. Probably just a little bit, if it at all does that. You know, it could come to 148 possibly, and, you know, go up. It's a good price right now, I think. See this? This level should hold for Rari. Okay, well, we should see a big move come in for Rari soon. Big move. possibly going to $18 to $20. Possible too. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Right now, I'm just saying between $10 to $12, but just keep an open mind. Keep an open mind to this possibility between $18 to $20. I think it's... I expect Rari, in about a year and a half, 2 years time, somewhere between $150 to $200. That's my target. I know it sounds ridiculous to your ears right now, but again, it has to spend, I feel it has to spend a lot of time in between. So we're looking at 2025, something like this, right? So I do think it has to spend some time here. We could go all the way to these levels. Right. Come close to $20 and still come back down all the way to $2.50 before we start our cycle. Okay, like that. Because that's where I think this triangle pattern would end. You see this like a wedge it's forming, right, for Rari? So it's possible we go hit $20 and come back down to this level before we start moving up. Okay, my levels for Raris. Right, these are the levels for Rari. Okay, $200, $150 to $200 for Rari. These are the levels I'm looking at, right? But it's gonna take time. It's gonna take time. Okay. Hanzo. Evening, Shrey. Happy Friday. BC Drums, how are you, brother? I just threw a bag at SHIB just in case. SLP is next. Yeah, man. Let's look at SHIB. I looked at SHIB yesterday. I haven't looked at it. But bro, SHIB. Yeah, SHIB. I was expecting a little downturn, right? In SHIB. See, I do feel... if you're lucky, we'll be able to get that one more dip on SHIB to this level. It's totally possible that we do go back down to this level. Come and just kiss this point. How many zeros? Fucking hell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros and 8, 5. We come to this level before we go up. Right? You're lucky. Depends how we look at it. Just because, if I look at the weekly, look at this is the daily, but if I look at the weekly, it just looks a little different, right? See, you get all these wicks, and yeah, it's possible that we go touch this. When I would get into SHIB, I would sell my other crypto and get into a SHIB when SHIB does this. If SHIB does this, goes back up, comes back down for a retest like that on this channel, comes back and tries to go above this level, because it'll be having tough time to go above this level, right? This is a significant level for SHIB. So this is where it's going to correct again, just a little bit, tiny correction here, comes back down, right? This is where I would get in. This confirms the big move up, because after that, man, it's gonna keep going up like that. Okay, slow pump until this level, slow pump until this level right here, until this level right here, slow pump until this level. But after that, it explodes. It explodes. But, this is when I will be getting in. This dump is done because I just don't want, to waste time, bro. I think I am correct on this one, but this would confirm, because if I see my other crypto is not going to move and all the focus is going to be on SHIB, and if my other crypto is going to take 6 to 8 months to pump, I might as well ride the SHIB wave, right? And make that money in SHIB, because this will be the last pump for SHIB. If SHIB pumps to the level that I'm expecting, this will be the last pump for SHIB, or it could, if it does this, then we have hope. If it does this, then we have hope, okay? If it goes to this level and comes back down to this level, then we have hope that, okay, it's going to pump until 2025. It's going to have a magnificent pump, like that. But if it just pauses here a little bit and just keeps on going up, then it will mean this will be the last pump for SHIB, and it's going to make a top. If it corrects here a little bit, waste some time, and then starts to go up like that, then this will be SHIB's last pump. Okay? And because, it's going to come back down. The whole move is going to be reversed like that. It's going to come back down. Okay? And everybody will be stuck in SHIB for a long, long, long time. People are going to lose a lot of money once it pumps and dumps. I wouldn't be worried. I would take some profits here, right here, because there is a possibility it can go to this level, 0.0065, and give out all the gains back. It's possible, like that, right? And do this before it pumps, like that, in 2025. Okay, we'll have to see. We have to see where Bitcoin is, where the market conditions are, and then make our decisions. But on a shorter time frame, SHIB is creating a pattern where I feel it's going to start pumping very soon. Very soon, SHIB looks like it's getting out of this triangle pattern. Once it gets out of this, I feel SHIB's going to pump. Whenever that happens, SHIB's going to have a massive pump. From here to this level is what? 524% pump? 535% pump? That is phenomenal. For me, I think it's a good thing. BC Drums, thanks for the $5, brother. Can we look at stacks, Shrey, if you have time? Okay, stacks. Ned, thanks for the $2. Okay, Black Swan. No Black Swan, SLP. Bro, SLP, I'm not gonna sell my SLP or not touch it till between 3 to 5 cents. Okay, just giving you a heads up. 3 to 5 cents. No matter what happens in between, it's just noise. 3 to 5 cents. And depending on where Bitcoin is during that time, there is a possibility SLP can just keep on going up to 10 cents, 10 to 13 cents. Okay, it will all depend. For me, the minimum level is 3 to 4 cents. 3 to 4 cents for SLP. But whichever scenario you look at, Black Swan, this one, what event happens, I don't care. But that's the level where I'm going to touch my SLP. Until then, everything in between, you just want to risk it, trade. Every trade you do in between is a risk. A huge risk, massive risk. But if you have that little itch in you and you want to risk it, then risk it, okay? I don't risk with all my money. I would risk, say, 25%. Because if that dump comes, there'll be, at these levels, it's so low, man. It's not worth to risk. I would risk about 25%, just taking a chance, just because I like to, right? But the level where I would feel good that even after that SLP goes up, I wouldn't care, is between 3 to 4 cents. This is where my target is, where I would take some profits depending on where Bitcoin is at that point and how the crypto environment is, right? We'll look at everything and then take profits, but that's the level that I'm looking at. But until 3 cents, everything in between is just noise. Whatever SLP does is just so that you fuck up, okay? I'm not going to touch SLP. But, okay, we'll see. I do me, bro, okay? I'm not God. I have a lot of SLP, okay? And my friends have a lot of SLP. So this is our target, right? Our goal, how we trade. But SLP long run, 2025, possibly 33 cents, 45 cents, possibly $1, you know, long run. But in between, it could go all the way back to zero. If it's possible from 3 to 5 cents, it could go back all the way back down to zero, okay, where the price is right now. So we'll have to see. BC drums, stacks. Okay, stacks. I made a whole video about stacks, bro. Breaking out again. Might be going full Monty, bro. Might be going full Monty. Stack's gonna make a new all-time high or what? It broke out of this resistance. I like it when cryptos do that. Well, you know, is it a wick or not? I don't know, bro. You know, we'll have to see if it breaks convincingly. If it does, then we are going to $3. But this level, to break this level, it's very tough. $1.30 level to break is going to be a challenge. But if it does, goes up and, you know, corrects here a little bit, then I do expect it to hit between, I would say, 320 or make an all-time high, you know, to 455. We'll see. I would think it would stop at $3, 3 to 320. We'll see. But, you know, this was a scenario that I was expecting for. Stacks. That stacks would not be able to break this, and you know it's going to take some time. We dump here like that, come back to this level, and then go up to, you know, $3 like that. That's what I'm expecting, but I could be wrong. Eventually the goal is to reach this level. How we reach $3, it's irrelevant, but if it breaks this level, it's going straight up, bro, to $2.95 to $3. Okay? If it breaks this level, you know, you have to make a choice. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Decisions. Take profit here, or, you know, we'll have to see. Because I am bullish for next 10 days. 10 to 20 days, I'm bullish on the market. 10 to 20 days, I'm very bullish on the market. So if it keeps up the pace, bro, this could go to $3. Stacks could go to $3 because I'm bullish on the market. I see Bitcoin going up, altcoins going up. Everything's going to go up for the next 10 to 25 days. So, you know, Stack looks bullish. That means it probably might as well just go to $3. That'll make the whole pump. Wow, a 10x, 12x pump, bro, from the bottom. That's phenomenal. Phenomenal. Silent Doom, that is true, but remember, you don't need SHIB to hit 0.01 if you DCA now and take profits in the future. Thanks, I saw the other video, but it was on the move. Okay, got it, bro. Got it. Yeah, it could be a wick. It could be a wick. Just challenging, man. Sometimes, you know, it's challenging. Oh, we hit $27,000, man! Yeah! Bitcoin just hit $27,000. Guys, look at that. Just a few days ago, I mentioned that Bitcoin's going to $27,000. Right here, at $19,000, I mentioned here, right here, guys, you got this update right here on Shrey TV Live. When Bitcoin was $19,000, I said that Bitcoin's going to $27,000. 27. Look at that. It's 27 right now. Boy, oh boy. 27,106 as we speak. And you know what will make me happy? It just keeps on going up. Breaks this level. If it's able to break this level, man, that will make me really happy. Because that means Bitcoin's going to $50,000 and it'll not stop at that $30,000 level that everyone anticipates. You know, if it breaks this level convincingly and goes up here, that would be, man, it'll be awesome. That means Bitcoin's going to $100,000 and the whole market's gonna pump like a motherfucker, and we don't have to wait till 2025. Okay, we might have our bull market a lot earlier than 2025. Okay, we'll see. This is exciting. Look at that level. Huge resistance right here. Will it have enough power to break it? If it has to go to $50,000, $100,000, it has to move up convincingly. Just keep on going up. You know, wreck all the shorts. All the expectations, and just keep on going up for next 15, 20 days. I need all green candles in Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance goes to 48, 50%, you know, probably 55%. And it just keeps on going up, you know, like a disbelief. Get people open their mouth like, what just happened, right? I want that for Bitcoin. Because that would indicate that we are going to $100,000 a lot quicker, you know, in this scenario. This is what I want. The second scenario that I have, where Bitcoin just keeps on going up. Small dumps, you know, it keeps on going up until May, June, July, something like that, you know. Between $50 to $55,000. Between $50 to $55,000, yeah. Won't stop at 30 because everyone's expecting it to stop at $30,000, including me. This is a big level for Bitcoin. $30,000 to $33,000 is a big level for Bitcoin. I don't want it to stop. It's for the crypto market. You know, you don't want Bitcoin to stop here. Just keep on going up. That'll be fun. That'll be real fun. You know, I don't care if it dumps here. Let it dump. Let it dump. Let it dump. You know, waste time here. And then we go to our next move, $70,000 to $75,000. Dump back again. And then we go for $100,000 mark. 100. $95,000 to $100,000. That's how I see Bitcoin. This is the second scenario for me. I told you the first scenario that we stop at $33,000 and dump back down almost to $17,000. Okay, that'll be you know, a boring period. After that, it's gonna be such a, man, I don't want to go through that bullshit phase. It'll be so tiring and it'll be so boring. I don't want to go through that. I really wish that this happens, this scenario. We believe in Straight TV, baby. Thanks for what you do. Sure, brother. Thank you. I appreciate all the nice, kind comments. Makes me want to come back here. That's the reason I come here, man. You can imagine 100,000 Bitcoin this year. Sheesh. Yeah, bro. Yeah, crypto is crazy. A lot of people, we are in such a disbelief stage. We are so broken mentally that we cannot even, if someone calls for 100,000, they'll be like, you want to spit on his face. You'll be like, who's this mad guy, right? Who's this stupid guy? Who's this idiot, right? So, yeah, but you just have to see, you know, how quickly Bitcoin went to $62,000, right? From here, how quickly Bitcoin took how many days? 133 days. That's it. $133 days puts it to $55,000 from the bottom here. So if we get the same kind of pump, from here, I wanted Bitcoin to just keep on going up like that. Like that. This way. 133 days. That's where, you know, we wasted already time here. So we wasted too much time here. So Bitcoin has to go up aggressively now. Compensate for this waste of time right here. So you just have to keep on going up, 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 and up. 133 days puts us $55,000. Let's give Bitcoin a little time to go. So maybe May, June, depends. You know, we'll see. We'll see. Depending on all the other cryptos, you know, we'll come to a conclusion. Oh, I'm hungry. Just phantom looking FTM. Phantom could move to this level too, you know, $3.20. Phantom, and what's the other crypto that we talked? Stacks look very similar. Look at both charts look so similar. Yeah, both charts look very similar. I think Phantom could go to $3. $3.25 to $3.55. Come back down like that. Okay. Later on. It's possible. Could come back all the way back down before Phantom has a big run up, you know, to $9, $10. Wanted to look at SLP. Who else is new here? All old people or someone's new here? Hanzo? Hanzo's been here for a while, right? Nikki is new. Nikki Stevenson is new to our channel. Guys, it's close to 1 hour. Should I just, you know, get done with this stream, or the incredible Shrey TV pump the music loud? Go Shib. Bill, how are you, brother? How are you? You want the music up? Not everybody enjoys that, so that's how I have it on low sound. I can crank it up. It just cranks up for you, not for me. I'll keep it this much, right? It's Friday night, so might as well, right? So what's gonna pump next? What's gonna pump next? Let's look at Chainlink. Chainlink it's been lagging for such a long time. Let's look at Chainlink against Bitcoin. Why is it lagging? Let's see. Seen. Yeah, I think enough correction for Chainlink. That's it, man. I think it's done. And it would go up to this level eventually. I don't see it going down more than this. I do expect Chainlink to have an amazing cycle. 150 to 200% pump for Chainlink should come soon. Look at that. Yeah, I think a pump between $17 to $20 should come for a Chainlink. Why is it wasting so much time? I can't believe it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. At some point, Chainlink will come and kiss this line. But when that line's gonna be, I don't know. At some point, it'll come and touch this line. How to dig deep for Chainlink. Dig deep. Yep. Man, I'm too hungry. My mind's not working right now. I need to eat. Okay? I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a nice weekend. Enjoy your weekend. Relax. See, if I can quit, anyone can quit. I quit. It's been a week. This is the 7th day for me that I haven't vaped. And I have it in front of me. All my vapes. I have it in front of me. Different flavors. Right here in front of me. I just keep them in front of me, but I don't smoke them. So yeah, man, if you have the habit, you know, smoking kills, right? Have fun, man. Do whatever the fuck you want. I'm nobody to tell you, right? Just, I quit, you know? So I was like, hey, man, if I can help somebody. But yeah, I was a constant smoker. Like out of 24 hours, I sleep 5 hours. The rest of the time, I was smoking. I was that kind of smoker. And if I can quit like cold turkey like that, you can do too. All right. Later, brother. Later. I will see you. Love you all.